everyone, and welcome to this Light-O-Rama tutorial for the S6 control panel. In this video, we'll talk about how to create and schedule your show playlist for playback with a computer using S6. Before you schedule your show, your sequences must all exist on your computer with the correct audio attached. Open the Light-O-Rama control panel and navigate to the Create Shows tab. Start a new show by clicking the New button in the upper right. In this tutorial, we'll focus on the main show tab in Basic Settings, but there are other tabs in Show Sections and Schedule that you can learn more about in the Light-O-Rama help documentation online. Click the Add button to select one LOR edit sequence, or use the Control button on your keyboard to select multiple sequences at once. After the sequences are added to your show playlist, you can select a song, then either choose to replace it with a different sequence, remove it entirely, or move it up and down in the play order. You can view the total duration of the playlist at the bottom of this screen. By default, the sequences are set to turn the lights off after each sequence. Most sequences end with all the lights off as a programming choice, so it's recommended that you leave this box checked unless you have a specific reason to leave the lights on. If you'd like to shuffle your sequences instead of playing them in order, change this next option and choose the corresponding shuffle settings that work best with your display. You can choose to add a delay between sequences if you'd like more of a gap between your songs. The majority of displays do not use a cleanup sequence between songs. Please view the Light-O-Rama help documentation for more information on when you would select this option. When sequences are put in the Main Show Section tab, the playlist will loop back to the top and repeat over and over during the duration of your show. No need to add duplicates of the same playlist to fill up 5 hours. Once your playlist is set, you'll move to the Dates and Times section. You can create the same schedule for all days, or separate your times by weekday versus weekend if you'd like to extend the hours. Click one of the Add buttons to start this process. Here you'll select the start and stop times for the evening. Once your stop time is reached, the current sequence will finish playing and then your show will end for the night. The date range lets you choose the first and last night of your season. Mark your show as active, then choose Save As to save your playlist. Back on the Create and Schedule Shows screen, you can make sure that your playlist is active, verify the dates and playtimes, and see the total duration of the loop of songs. Make sure to click this button to prepare the files for playback. If you need to make any changes to the show, make sure you do so at a non-active time of the day and click Edit. You can have multiple show schedules at once in this list, but only one can be active at a time if the show schedules were to conflict. After the schedule is set, you can watch your shows playback and make temporary playlist changes in the Play Shows tab of the control panel. And that's all for this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you never miss a notification about new videos.